feed the magpies. They're so cute. They bring their babies. That's a young one back there.
Oh, look how many.
Oh, what are you doing? You look like a little fatty. Oh, there's a crow.
Right, I'll put some down here.
They're so cute. Oh, look at that little one. He's so cute. Mum is schooling me on the importance of fish-related food stuff for plants. And I'm buying some air plants, guys. Air plants. Air plants. We are at, where are we? Bunnings? Yeah, we're at Bunnings.
Awful.
We have a basket full of stuff and we're holding up the line. Hi. How was your sausage, Mum? Well done. Bunnings sausage sizzle. We just watched this guy, well, he's gone. He sold his last Christmas tree and Mum and I made a deal. I'll stop nagging her about having a real Christmas tree this year. Next year we'll have a real one. So we high-fived on it, so it's a done deal. I'm going to finish this. We're going to go home and...
I'm getting another.
Oh, Mum's going to get another one. She's hungry. She's got the hunger. We're going to go home and do some Christmas decorating later. Hello guys, welcome to this week's vlog. I think this will be the first clip that I officially have for this week's vlog. If it's not, whatever. We are at the reject shop and I found this gigantic Christmas hat which I'm quite tempted to buy, but oh my god, it feels really strange. Do we like it? Do we like it? Is it fabulous? Do I look fabulous? Do I look fabulous, Mum? It keeps hitting things. Whoa. Yeah, it's really like... It reminds me a little bit of... Is it Cat in the Hat?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
You can wear that.
Yeah.
You just pull it over your whole cheese.
I know. Hold my sticky out ears in. No, they've got... Look
$25.
at this one, Mum. Wait. Let me hang that up. These ones are meant to move. Oh, the batteries don't work. These are one of the ones that
Don't get
go
one
side
if
to side.
batteries don't work.
Let's find one. Jeez. Looks like someone's already been here pressing all the buttons like we
Get
do.
right underneath at the back.
Guys, I just found miniature packets of Tic Tacs. Came up. Came up. Oh my god. Mom. They're like...
He's talking.
Yeah. Alright, how do we stop it? Alright, yeah. You gotta actually...
What's he saying?
He's singing...
That's the one I reckon the adults will get a kick out
He's
of.
awesome. They're all funny. No, they all have little... Oh. How clever is that? It's for holding wine bottles. Oh, Mum found a reindeer head. Oh, I like it. See up there? Does it make noise? Oh! Oh my god, Mum. He sings.
Oh, he's singing. not very loud.
No. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, oh.
Rocking around
The Christmas tree.
the Christmas
Oh,
party.
you do.
Everyone dancing merrily
They're cute.
in the new old-fashioned way. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way.
Oh, you're fabulous. Oh my god, delicious. All the Christmas pretties.
These cups.
Oh my
look
god.
at that.
No, it's not the right kind. Needs to have a swear word on it.
Why is it so big?
Yeah, they're huge, but that's a Haley size
Yeah,
coffee.
I want a
This
little-
one's cute, but it doesn't have a swear word on it. I need a really rude Christmas mug because that's me. Guys, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see how sparkly it is, but I want it. We want it.
Does it look good on camera?
And doesn't
Can
look.
I close
Have a
up?
look. No, it doesn't pick up lights well. Oh, I want it. It's so pretty. Are you locked out? There you go. Yeah, really. Okay, there's the pretty tree. Put it up last night. There's still a pile of decorations down here. I haven't got to them. The birds just decided it was time to wake up. Go to bed. Go to bed. Alright. Alright, there it is, all lit up. Oh, the tinsel fell off the cupboard. Oh no, that's so disappointing.
That's the one I put on the tree.
Oh, fucking hell. So, there it is. I don't like this tree because it's got a huge big gap. And, like, there's gaps everywhere. And it really annoys me. I don't know why they didn't make the branches denser. No, I don't like tinsel on trees. I like lights and ornaments. And tinsel, you can never find good tinsel. We have this stuff. Hang on. I'll get to stick you in the tree. We have some of this. Yeah, I know. But we have some of this. And I love this type of tinsel. It almost feels... It's really soft. It almost feels luscious. Like it's thick and it's lovely. But they're hard to find. And when you do find them, they're super expensive. And then the birds get in the tree and poop on everything. So it's just not. It's not happening. Yeah. Yeah, you. Yeah, you guys. Yeah, you guys. Yes. Jessie likes the camera. What is it? Ow! Don't bite me! No! Hello!
What are you doing?
What are you doing? What are you doing? Merry Christmas? Merry Christmas? No, not food. Christmas. Food? Food? Not true. Food? Kisses? Oh, you're cute, Dexter. You're a cute little psychopathic birdie, aren't you? Yes. Oh, Jess, no. Jessie. I reckon Jessie has very slight mental disabilities.
Yeah, it's probably sandwich. I reckon they'd all be
Yeah, we got, whoa, Jess. We got Jessie as a second-hand bird, so to speak. She had already been with a male owner, and they didn't get along. And she's really She's hilarious. When she's on the ground, I call her a girl. Anyway, when she's on the ground and she runs in. Yeah, it's funny, isn't it, Dex? When she's on the ground and she's running inside, she literally spins around in circles and runs backwards. It's the weirdest thing I've ever seen. You're a bit odd, aren't you, Jess? Hi, guys. Don't bite me, Jessie. Say hello. No, she's trying to bite me.
Give me a kiss.
Oh, you're putting on a show tonight, aren't you, guys? Oh. I can't whistle. Oh, get them to cough. Make them cough. Dexter coughs, so Dexter's the one at the back.
Dexter sneezes.
Dexter coughs, he sneezes, and when you eat, he makes chewing noises. He's so cute.
Swallowing noises.
And he also, whenever we go out, when we're leaving the house, if we open the front door, he makes a squeaking noise, like a door squeaking. So cute. So cute. Aww. Oh, really?
And yes, now, when I told you to stop and get away from the coffee, this goes to me.
That screeching noise Dexter just made. Jessie. Oh, I don't know what that was. It's usually really hard to get Jessie to do that. I don't know why she started doing it. Usually I have to bob my head up and down until it gives me a headache. That was really good work, Jess. Well done, you. You win the Cute Bird of the Night award. What are you doing? What are you doing? Food? I'll make you some food.
That's what I do.
So funny. Mum's licking her lips so she can whistle, and Dexter's making the noise to mimic her. They're so funny. What are you doing? What are you doing? Food?
You want food? Harry bought some.
I did. I bought a huge bag.
Make it.
No.
Make it.
They don't need it. Need it.
Make it.
What are they mimicking when they make that noise? It's one of the other birds, yeah. Oh, shut up. Shut up. That's their, like, yeah. That's their sort of native calls. Screeches and really high pitch. That. Rah!
When you're off, yeah.
Rah! 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 That's oh my god, I am crying actual tears. You guys are so funny. Tell you what, these birds are so messy. They are so fucking loud, and when they bite, they literally leave, like, they draw blood and they leave puncture wounds in your skin. But they are the best value when they're in a mood like this, because they are fucking hilarious. Oh, kisses. Aww.
Give me a kiss.
Oh, sexy birds.
Give Jessie a kiss.
Give me a kiss.
Give Jessie a kiss.
No.
Cuddle.
Food? That's an eating noise.
Give Jessie a cuddle.
Alright, that's enough, birds. Say good night.
Good night.
Good night. Go to bed. No, not food. Okay, so a little bit of birdie fun late at night. It's not really late. It's 9:15. But I'm kind of thinking, like, I want to go to bed. I need to fix my sleeping pattern. It's so messed up. Daylight savings is destroying me because usually, like, I consider myself a night person. I'm one of those people, I can get up really early in the morning. I'll be tired all day, and then as soon as it starts to get dark, I'm like wide awake. I get my second wind, I'm ready to go. And because it's daylight savings now, it's not getting dark until like 9 o'clock. It's fucking me up because I almost feel like I want to be awake all night and then sleep all day, and obviously that's not, you know, that's not a very productive sleeping pattern. Not for me, not for, you know, if it was just me, if I wasn't like looking after mum and looking after Nan and doing beauty news and trying to do my own YouTube stuff and all that, it would be fine. Like, I could totally live my life on a, like, backwards clock, basically. But I can't do that. I can't. It's selfish, and I'm not going to do it. And also, I actually, like, I prefer to get my work done during the day and then have the evenings to just sort of relax and chill. But my body is like, no, 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 no. It's getting dark, so now it's work time. Let's do stuff. Let's be awake. Let's have fun. Yay. And my brain is just like, this is fucked. This is so fucked. Sort your shit out. So I'm going to try and sort my shit out. Which means I want to go to bed really fucking soon. I am going to edit this vlog and upload it overnight and then go to bed. Go nice. I might watch a movie. I'm thinking National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. I'm having a bit of a flat day. I'm a little bit, I don't want to say down in the dumps because I'm not like depressed. I'm not, you know, I'm just having a bit of a blah day, which is not surprising because I haven't had one in so fucking long. So, you know, yeah. So I'm thinking I'll edit this vlog, set it to upload, jump in bed, watch National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, and go nice. It'll be a great time. Fantastic time. I need to talk about these a little bit more. Oh my god. So these are mini Tic Tac packets. Orange peppermint, spearmint, and peach passion. Oh my god. What the fuck? Like, really? How is this a thing? Oh, they're in a bag. Of course they're in a fucking bag. Look at how itty bitty they are. So it looks like they contain about 7 Tic Tacs. They are so fucking cute. So fucking cute. I can't. I just cannot. Like, really? I wish everything was miniature. I am a very petite little person. So when something is miniature, I'm like, this was made for me. This is my kind of shit. I love it. I love miniature things. They make me so happy. So maybe I will also eat some Tic Tacs because, you know, that'll cheer me up too. National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation and Tic Tacs. Sounds like a great evening. I hope everything's great with you guys. Oh, I need to blow dry this damn hair too. I hope everything is great with you guys. I will see you. I will actually probably see you most days next week because I have a lot of videos to get up and they're like time sensitive. They have to be up before Christmas. I'm sure some of you are fucking sick to death of my face. Sorry, I'm just burping up dinner. It's charming. But I need to get the videos up. So that's what I'm going to do. Otherwise, ignore all the weekly videos and I'll see you in next week's vlog. Bye guys.